Hi friends, welcome back in Excel class. In today's lecture, we will learn autofill, flash fill and custom list. Some interesting part of Microsoft Excel. So let's start learning with autofill. Here I am writing number 10 in first cell. I will take my cursor at the corner of the cell. See here one small dot. Take your cursor on that. It will display in thin plus. Now drag it down. Same number is displayed. This is called autofill. Next cell I am going to write here 10 and 20. Means my numbers are increasing with 10. So I will select both cell. So how to select two cell together? Just take your cursor on the first cell and drag till second cell. Now take cursor at the corner of the cell and drag it down. See, these numbers are increased with 10, means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. So this is autofill command. For autofill we have to give condition to computer, and as per that computer will work. Here I am giving one condition, that 10 then one blank space, 20 again blank space. Now I will select 4 cells and drag down. So here same condition applied. Now I want to write here name of the month. So I am writing in first cell Jan. I will take my cursor at the corner and drag till December. So here this name of the month, name of the days, this data is already defined in Microsoft Excel. This is a predefined data. But if you want to take your personal information, some list, then we have to define that data in Microsoft Excel. So how to do that? For example, I want to write here east, west, north, south. If I drag it down, then same east only displayed. But I want to see here all direction names. So I will add this data in computer. So how to do this? That is called custom list. Click on file menu. Last button is options. This is Excel option dialog box displayed. Here click on advanced. Take your scroll bar down. Click on edit custom list. In this list we have to write our own list. So I am writing here east, comma, west, north, south. Now I will click on add. This list is added here. Click on OK, again OK. Now here you try east. Take your cursor down and drag it. See, the list is displayed. Here I have one student list. I have 21 students name, and I want to see that I want to add this data in Excel. So every time when I will write roll number 1 name and drag down, then all 21 students name will display there. So again we will do that same action. File, options, advanced, edit custom list and import list. We can import our list. So select the list, click on this button and click on import. This list is imported. Now click on add and click on OK. Now see the result here. First I am going to increase size of this cell. Now if I write here first student name, that is Arya, and drag down, then all the names are displayed there. So like this we can define our data in Microsoft Excel. Suppose I write here 12th name here. So 12th onward name will display, and again it will follow from first roll number. Next part is fill series. Here I am writing number 1 and I will drag it down. Click on this option and click on the second option, fill series. your numbers will display in the series 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So this is called fill series. So fill format. Here I have one word computer, and that word I will make the color purple, highlight color yellow, and there I will take all border. So some formatting I changed. Now I will drag it down. The same name is displayed here, but if I click on fill formatting only, then only format will display. And one more option is there, fill without format, then that word will display without format. Next part is flash fill, and shortcut key is Ctrl E. So here I have some data. In D column, name of the player, and E column, name of that surname of that player. I want to join these two names together in F column. So here first condition I will write, and take your cursor in the next cell and press Ctrl E. Within few seconds you will get whole result. So this is for flash fill, and the same action we will do with this shortcut menu also. Just write this data in first cell. Now drag till end and click on autofill option button. There you will get flash fill. The same result you will see with this also. So shortcut key is Ctrl E, and with the right click also we can do the same. Here see one more example. I have here student's name, but that names are with master and miss. So I want to remove that. So here I will write first student name, and in the next cell I will press there Ctrl E. So the same result will display down. So this is flash fill. Here I have one more example of flash fill. This is one address list. This address, see, there are three part of the address, 18/MG Road /495115, and I want to see only center part in the separate cell. So here I will write MG Road, and in the next cell I will press here Ctrl E. Same action for next also. That is, suppose I want to write here last 4 characters. So write that and press Ctrl E. If you want to see first 2 characters, then that also write in the next cell and press Ctrl E. So this is all about flash fill. We can do that with the shortcut key Ctrl E or right click autofill option. This is very interesting part of Microsoft Excel. Hope you understand these all commands in Microsoft Excel. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt about Microsoft Excel, then you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much.